There is nothing better than getting fresh orange juice in the morning. This fruit with a perfect balance of sweet and sour taste is a refreshing way to start the day. In today's video, we will learn how to extract the juice of so many oranges in factories. This work begins with the harvesting of oranges. This work is done with the help of hands and machines. What you see here is an orange harvesting machine. This machine can harvest the oranges very neatly without harming any orange. This machine saves a lot of time. If these oranges are harvested only with the help of hands, the work can take a long time, which will increase the labor cost too. Some people believe that it is better to harvest the oranges with the hand, even if it's increasing the working time and cost. Let me also tell you that the bags worn by these workers are also made of the skins of oranges. And after seeing so many oranges in this garden, my heart is filled with joy. Please share in the comment box, how did you feel after seeing so many oranges together? Viewers, we have to work hard to make these videos, but with just one like and one comment from you, all our hard work will be paying off. So quickly like the video and make a good comment. These workers have large bags tied to them in which they harvest the oranges, and then when these bags are full, they are taken and put in a big container. They are then shipped in a truck or trolley for factory processing and juice making. Large shipping trailers arrive at the factory with all these oranges. Each shipping trailer contains more than 100,000 oranges, and these 100,000 oranges come from over 300 trees. A good and standard factory takes 36 hours from harvesting the oranges to extracting the juice and packing it, which gives the customers fresh juice. These oranges are loaded onto the conveyor belt by truck, through which they reach the production floor. This is the Valencia type of oranges, which is very good for juice because of its sweet flavor. The first step in the whole process is to clean all the oranges. All the oranges are passed through a conveyor belt with a brush washer. A special detergent is added to the water of this washer so that if there's any dust on the oranges while it's harvesting from the garden, it will be clean. These shiny fruits are then sent from grating. Graders work on this line who pick the best fruits. The juice is made from the oranges, which get A+ grade. These workers do this work with speed and skill. After that, they're washed again with a brush washer. And once again, these oranges are graded so that if by chance a bad fruit has reached here, it can be removed. Because just one bad orange can spoil the taste of the whole batch. Good oranges are treated with a chlorine solution so that no germs survive. Then again, they are washed with water. Then it is time to extract the juice of these oranges. But first, let's find out what happened to the oranges that were separated during grading. Separated oranges who were not A+, but were pretty with an A grade are shipped to another part of the factory where they are packed in boxes. It's all done in great speed, as you can see on the screen right now. These A-grade oranges are packed in plastic bags and then put in boxes, and thus these A-grade oranges are ready to go to market. Another great way to pack them is that the workers first peel the fruit in the factory and then place the peeled fruits on a conveyor belt, which are then sliced off with a special machine. after which the workers take out the bad slices and put them on the side. After that, the slices are filled in tin jars. Then, they are sealed with the help of another machine. Now, let's talk about how the juice of A+ grade oranges is extracted. All these oranges are sent in an extractor machine. Moving towards the extractor, all these oranges fall into the cups one by one in their respective lines. There's a small tube inserted inside each orange. They are then pressed, causing the juice to come out through small holes. But in some factories, to extract the juice from these oranges, they are sliced in two and put in a pressing machine, and all the juice comes out by pressing them. After the juice comes out, it goes straight to the bottling line. Meanwhile, the plastic bottles are moved one by one on a conveyor belt. Then all these bottles move towards a spinning wheel called a filler machine. Here, with the help of this filler, 946 milliliters of juice is filled in each bottle. From here, all these bottles are then taken to a capping machine where the bottle caps are affixed to all the bottles one by one, and then they are sealed. After this process, the quality of these bottles is inspected. According to a 2015 report, about 900 million tons of orange juice are consumed worldwide annually. There are more than 40 benefits to drinking orange juice, and drinking too much can be detrimental to your health. After inspecting the bottles, 6 bottles are packed together. A robotic machine then wraps them by 5 piles on top of each other. Here you go, your orange juice is ready. Viewers, please tell us in the comment section how you like this orange juice factory and this video. And if you're new to the channel, you must subscribe to the channel. You will not regret it. See you in another video. Take care.